Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX 12. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create the side sketch, then extrude. So select while they play. Then we create 4 rectangle, 4 arc. Sorry, undo. We need to create a rectangle and consider 2 lines equal. Then we need to create arc. Then select this arc, partner code, select this. Sorry. Circle 4. Okay. Next we need to select these 4 line, convert to reference. Then we make dimension 20. And these 2 points 24. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. We're finishing the sketch. Distance 80. Okay, next extrude, select XZ plane. XZ plane. Sorry, XZ plane. Let me create profile. Middle code X. The angle 72. 2 point coincident. We need intersection code. Select this face. We get the code. Then select the line, convert to reference. Coincident. We need to close the sketch, add an arc. Okay, big enough. Boolean subtract. Symmetrical. Okay. Next we need create a cut feature. So create a circle, consider this center point onto X, and make dimension 19. Select this line, consistent horizontal, consider horizontal. 2 line. make dimension, the angle 155. In the execution codes, we need to select this face and get the line. Select the line, convert to reference. So this point onto line. Make dimension, select this line. 8 millimeter. Six millimeter. Nine millimeter. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. We're finishing the sketch. Quickly trim the sketch. Finish. Symmetrical. Subtractive. Okay. Next, we create this cylinder. Actually, select this face. Oh, sorry. We need to change the single curves. Create a circle. 10 millimeter. Finish. 12 woolen unit. Okay. Next, we need to create this hole. So I revolve. In the sketching codes, we need to select this face. Okay. Convert to reference. Next, create the sketch. Make dimension 4 millimeter, and this sorry, 2 millimeter. Five millimeter. This point to 50. Okay, finish. Curves. Select single curves. Vector, select this line. This line. Boolean subtract. Okay. Change appearance. Okay, we're finishing the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.